Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for unemployment in California. So for here you can see all the information that you're going to need to gather before you start your application. First is of course personal information. And here you can click the acceptable documents link so you can see an overview of the full list of acceptable documents that can prove your identity. Next, you have to have past 18 months of employment information, and that includes employer names, mailing and physical addresses, dates worked, gross wages, hours worked, and how you were paid. You also need the most recent employer information that includes your employer's contact information, the date when you last worked for this last employer, and gross wages. Another information that you need is the reason you aren't working or had your hours cut. If you voluntarily quit or were fired, you may not be eligible for benefit. Next is you also have to have citizenship or proof of citizenship. If you are registered with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services as a non-citizen, you'll need your USCIS document. But of course, this is only applicable for those who are registered as non-citizen. Another information that you need is federal employment, but this is only applicable for federal employees that worked in the federal government during the last 18 months. So you're going to need your standard Form 8. And lastly, this is only applicable for those who served in the military in the last 18 months. So if you do, you need your DD-21 form member copy 4. And with all that on your hand, you can now proceed with application. So here you can see three ways to apply. First is applying online, and all you have to do is click on the apply now button. And here all you have to do is log in with your EdNext account, then follow all the on-screen prompts and answer questions if necessary, and fill out forms when prompted. Another way to apply is applying by phone. So here you can see all the hotlines available for different languages, and they are available on Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific time. And lastly, you can apply by fax or mail. So, of course, you have to first fill out the unemployment insurance application or DE-1101 in languages English or Spanish. So, here just choose what fits best for your previous job. Then just click the language of the application you're comfortable to use and fill out the application form. Then, once done, you can contact your local America's Job Center of California to help in completing and submitting your paper application. You can click on this link to know the office and the address in which you can send your application. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!